What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at XRP and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at XRP here, and we can see, things are looking relatively good, aren't they? Obviously, yesterday we had quite a large pullback because we did run up way too fast for Bitcoin, didn't we? I mean, Bitcoin ran up all the way to around almost 41k, I think, before it got really overextended and started to have a little pullback to the downside. So obviously we've had a bit of a pullback yesterday because that move to the upside was pretty extreme. But I mean, looking at XRP's chart, things are looking good, aren't they? I mean, we're breaking out of this resistance that we've been stuck under for a while here, aren't we? We're potentially forming this double bottom as well, and also looking for that W-shaped recovery, something like this, coming back up to this 90 cents to $1 range, really, which would be a nice perfect reversal for XRP, and really showing that the bottom is pretty much in for this big pullback that we have been seeing. So we are showing signs of life here, but we're not out of the woods yet. But we're breaking out of key resistances here, which we think is really critical, and we do strongly believe that XRP is going to do very well over the next year, especially with the resolution of the lawsuit. It's probably going to explode out the gates once that happens, in our opinion, because it doesn't seem likely from what we can tell that Ripple Labs is going to lose that case, considering the SEC doesn't seem to have a leg to stand on whatsoever. And obviously, as you can see, if you're looking at the charts here, you can see that we have been in this uptrend ever since the bull run began, really. And we have we found support at the bottom of this channel pretty much bang on, haven't we? I mean, if we just take a look at our RSI as well, we were potentially, forming some nice bullish divergences at the bottom here as well. Price action's obviously trying to go lower. The bears are getting super greedy. And, we're getting that bounce off the bottom of the channel, aren't we? Because when we do get to the bottom of these channels, we do tend to have a bounce. And as we always say, the market is kind of like an elastic band. And when you do get really overextended in one direction, you usually do snap back to kind of more reasonable middle of the ground expectations. And this channel is a perfect example of that, really. You get to the top of the channel, you reject. Obviously, we had the SEC lawsuit against Ripple, which sent it all the way to the bottom of the channel, which is how we formed this channel here. And when you get really overextended to the upside and you get really overbought, you do see big corrections. And as you can see, we have had a really large correction, haven't we? It's probably been a bit bigger than most people expected, but we've come all the way down, and now we got into this really oversold territory, haven't we? And as we keep saying, when you do get to these oversold territories, the market being as elastic as it is, it will come back and equalize what's going on. And as you can see, we are starting to get that pickup now off the bottom of the channel, which is obviously really good to see. This is the daily time frame here, and it looks like we're breaking out of the 20 EMA, and we haven't done this on the daily time frame ever since we had the crash here. So we're definitely showing signs of life for XRP here. You can see we're breaking out of this key resistance line and also the 20 EMA, which is doing something like this. We're breaking out of it and back testing it as support now. So obviously the next thing that we need to conquer is this 55, which is going to be doing something like this from what we can tell. So if we can bring the 20 up and the 55 like this, consolidate for a while and then start to see that breakout and that pick up to the upside, we could be looking at getting this bull run back underway in the next month or so and reaching some of these price targets that we've been looking for. So just as a little thought experiment, we can see here we've got the Fibonacci extensions here for the previous bull market for XRP. This is basically 2013 here, and then we came all the way to 2017, 2018. So this is the previous the market top before that and the market bottom. And as you can see, we came all the way up to the 227 extension here. And obviously, if this happened again for XRP, not saying that it will, but we would be looking at a very big price target for XRP. I mean, $235 is the technical target. And we're not saying that's going to happen because that will be trillions of dollars of market cap. But what we are saying is it's very, very likely that XRP's got a lot more to give in this bull run. And I mean, as you can see, these fib levels have been perfectly respected in a number of ways here. So we would say, you know, once XRP does come out the gates with the SEC getting settled as well, we do think it's going to do extremely well. I mean, we're not saying that it's going to hit that 227 extension, but we do think this 161 is very possible, which would be, you know, around $25, $26 per token. So if we just underestimated what we did in the last bull cycle, which was like literally a bang on touch of this 223 extension here on this chart, at least, as you can see, it's pretty obvious that these Fibonacci levels have a lot of confluence. And as you can see, if I could actually drag my chart, if we did hit that target again, we'd be looking at a monstrous price target for XRP. But as we said, it's probably quite unlikely we hit this in this bull run, considering that this is an astonishing, I mean, that's like a 228x from the current price, more like a 300, 400x, which is obviously, you know, absolutely insane. Trillions and trillions of dollars of market cap for XRP in that case, which would be absolutely, you know, unreasonable at this point in our opinion. But, you know, we do think that this $26 level very, very possible. And we do think it's more than likely we'll probably hit this 141, this 127 to 141 area between, you know, $10. Everyone's saying between $7 and $13 is their price target, somewhere in this pocket. Quite a lot of people are saying this, probably based off these fib extensions, as we can see here. But, you know, things looking all right for XRP, aren't they? Obviously, we're holding support really nice in the short term, but, I mean, really what we're looking at is the long term and the potential. And we do really think that XRP has a massive amount of potential in the long term. So just taking a quick look here, we can see XRP has actually come up and is bouncing off the... What on earth is going on here? Oh, it's because we got it on auto. That auto, it can be a good thing and a bad thing. Let me just... For goodness sake, can't see what this fib extension is. I really do need to see. Let's just go back to the daily time frame so I can see what's going on here. So on the we've got the 050 here. We've actually come up above the 050 and back tested it as support along with the 20 EMA here on our daily time frame, which is really bullish. Hopefully, if we can hold this as support, we will be forced to come up and retest this 55 EMA. So that's going to be really, really good, isn't it? And I mean, things are looking good for XRP. It's really, you know, finding its feet now from what we can tell, and seeing a decent bounce to the upside because of Bitcoin, obviously. So it remains to be seen what's going to happen, but obviously in the short term, things looking good. If you look here, we can see we've come up, broken out of resistance, come and back tested a previous level here. So as far as we can tell, you know, XRP is doing extremely well, isn't it? We're holding the 55 EMA here on the weekly time frame as support. No signs of a bear market. Holding the bottom of this channel. Most likely going to see that bounce that sees us coming back up to the middle of the channel soon. So everything looking good, isn't it? In the short term, we're probably going to, you know, as we said yesterday, for most cryptos, we have seen a pullback. We're probably going to see a bit of consolidation now after having such an immense run up. But we do think that 42k level for Bitcoin is a magnet now. And sooner or later, we are going to come up to retest it. And obviously, if that's the case, XRP is going to start to do something like this as well, where it comes up and starts testing these resistances. Now it's breaking out of, you know, this resistance here, it's breaking out of the 20. If it can hold them as support and start running up and test the 50, then I mean, we're looking at big reversal signs for XRP, aren't we? So in the short term, it's really difficult to know. But as we said, in the long term, we do think by the end of the bull run, $10 plus XRP is very likely. And if we get that SEC lawsuit finalized and finished in the next few months before the bull run climaxes, we could potentially be seeing, you know, maybe even this $26 to $30 XRP fib extension as well. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.